Hi everyone, welcome to my Treasures Award. Hope you are doing good. You must be wondering what's with the change and where we are. So today morning we decided to just go for a ride, find a nice place in nature, and we just thought we'd film our video over here.
Yeah, we'll
Um,
reflect on
we'll reflect on this year,
this
how
year.
2025 has been for us, mainly with the YouTube channel, but in general as well. And we just thought we'd, you know, be among God's creation in nature, enjoy the sounds of the birds. Hope that is getting recorded and hope you can hear it clearly. But it's a lovely day, it's a lovely morning. It is around 7:30 in the morning, and today's video is all about thankfulness and being grateful for this year. So
So, let's get started. Before we begin, I would like to encourage you all to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
yeah, so 2025 is almost over and 2026 is just around the corner. And so we decided to make this video to just thank you all who've been with us right from the beginning and everyone who's joined along the way, who have been with us throughout this year. We started this YouTube channel in May 2025, really not knowing where this channel would go and what was it that we were going to do exactly. But it was very much a step of faith. It was very much trusting God and really just stepping out and exploring this platform. And yeah,
Here we are.
and here we are.
When I think about God, I'm always reminded of His goodness and His faithfulness in our lives. If I'll talk about our channel, we have really seen God's faithfulness and goodness throughout this year. And we can say that we are really grateful to God for giving us strength, ability, creativity, creative ideas,
Talent.
talent to share His word through art with you all. And this was really beautiful year because we could see God leading us, guiding us.
Every step of the way.
Yeah.
In fact, almost all of our content, if not all of it, was really led by God, because every single week Charlotte would take time out just to seek God, ask Him, what is it that you want me to paint about? What is it that you want me to talk about? And every single topic that we picked for a week was from His leading. If we picked a theme for the month, it was from His leading. And so we're really grateful that He gave us ideas, gave us topics, put the words on our hearts, and gave us the ability to share what we shared, and the ability to Charlotte to create art continuously. We're really grateful. So I just want to thank God for His faithfulness in this year, and I also want to thank all of you who have subscribed and who have been with us on this journey right from the very beginning to even now. Everyone who's new on the channel, we want to thank you with all of our hearts. Thank you for your faithfulness. Thank you for being with us, walking with us on this journey. Thank you for all those who take the time out to comment on our videos, who share our videos. We're really grateful, for this small little YouTube family that is
Yeah.
forming.
We are really grateful. Thank you so much for your support and journeying with us. While we are reflecting on our YouTube journey, God has put some things on my heart. When I look back on our journey, I can see God's faithfulness and goodness, His leading and His guidance. If you are someone who has dreams and desires, and you're planning to do something new in this coming year in 2026, and you are anxious, you're worried, you're not sure, then I just want to tell you that today God is speaking to you through these things. Like, first thing, you just need to invite God in your plans, in your dreams, in your desires, and whatever you are planning to do. Second thing, ask God to partner with you. Third thing, you just need to take a step of faith. Fourth thing, ask for God's leading. I can say follow His leading. So these are the things just God put on my heart, and I just wanted to encourage you all by saying that with God everything is possible. You will see success when God is partnering with you, when God is leading and guiding your path and you are following His leading. So, few months back I was praying about 2026, and God gave me a prophetic word which I'm going to release right now. So the prophetic word for the year 2026 is the word establishment.
So 2026 is the year of establishment. If you've been journeying with us for some time now, or you just happened upon this video and you heard the prophetic word, then we believe that this prophetic word is just for you. So if there's any area where you feel you need to be established, whether it's in your career, your academics, your relationships, whatever it may be, we believe that God is going to establish you in 2026. So just receive that word, let it sink in, and trust that the Lord will do it in this new year. Just as it says in Proverbs 16:3, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. So this is the word for 2026.
Thanks for watching this video.
And if you were blessed by this video, please let us know in the comments.
And if you are new around here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the new year.